Yes, I can. Welcome back. How are you doing? Are you having a great day? Are you ready to make sure it's going to be even more fun? That's my responsibility. Hey, congratulations on making it through your first lesson. I'm excited to reward you with your second lesson. But before we get started, can I ask you, have you completed the challenges? Remember what those 2 challenges were? What were they again? That's right, having the yes, I can attitude and making your bed. Excellent. Have you been doing those? We're going to follow up with your family to make sure you've been doing those, okay? Because this way, after this lesson, I'm going to reward you with your first official belt in martial arts, which is your white belt. And remember, if all goes well and you have the mindset and the vision of being a black belt, which takes about 3 years, we're going to make that happen for you as well, too. Okay, are you ready to get started in our second lesson? Great. A couple things before we get started. Family members, students, and friends, here at Mastery, we have this training equipment. This is called a kicking shield, and these are called focus mitts. Today, we're going to actually be using some of this stuff. Now, we understand this really isn't household products, which we completely understand. But if you are interested and you know your child is ready to begin their journey with here at Mastery, and you want to go ahead and purchase our starter kit package on our website, you are more than welcome to do so. However, for today, if you have a couple spare pillows hanging around, those will work great, just as good as these. So why don't I give you a second, grab some pillows, and come right back. Okay, great. Do you have everything we need today? Great. And you have a family member, friend to help you out, right? Awesome. Let's get started. Okay, stand nice and tall like me. Yes, sir. Remember, we want to be standing on our dot, shoulders back, chin up. Now, at the beginning of every Mastery class, we have a student oath. You're going to say it with me. Say it with me. Say, structure. Very good. It's to have discipline, to obey what is right, and follow the rules. Emotion is having a positive attitude and a passion for life. Knowledge is taking what we learn here at Mastery and applying it to our everyday life. Legacy, to be a leader and a role model for others to follow. Winners never quit. Quitters never win, and I choose to be a winner. Punch to the sky, say, I'm a winner. Yeah. High five. Oh, all right, let's get started. Let's review everything we learned on our last lesson, and then we're going to add more. Stand like a black belt. Say, yes, sir. Bow, yes, I can. Okay, shoulders back, chin up. Remember, we have great discipline. All right, follow me. Let's review that block we learned. If anybody ever tries to touch us or harm us without our permission, we're going to put our hand over our head and block. Ready? Follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Let's do 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand tall. Yes, sir. Great job. Now, do you remember what last week's lesson was? That's right. It was the yes, I can. Let's review. Ready? Yes, I can. Now, today is our second lesson. Follow me. Say, try my best. That's right. Do it again. Try my best. One more time. Try my best. Stand tall. Say, yes, sir. Okay. Now we're going to need a family member or friend to help you with a pillow. Parents, if you have the pillow, family members and friends, if you have the pillow, all you're going to do is lightly go ahead and place the pillow over your child's head or over the student's head. When the pillow is coming, students, you're going to use this part of your hand to protect yourself and blocking, okay? Let's practice. So we want your family member or friend to stand here, and we want you to stand right next to me. Let's show respect. Yes, I can. All right, family members, I want you to go ahead and lightly attack your child. Ready? Yes, I can. Good, keep attacking. Try my best. 2 more times. Yes, I can. Try my best. 1 more time. Ready? Loud and strong. Yes, I can. Try my best. Stand tall and show respect to your family members and friends. Yes, I can. Give them a high five. Great. Thank you. Awesome. All right, stand tall. Say, yes, sir. Okay, let's learn more. Let's review those punches we worked. Put your hand just like me and extend your arm. Say, yes, I can. Great. Now what are we going to say? Try my, what is it? Best. Awesome. Ready? Best. Let's say it a little faster now. Yes, I can. Try my best. A little louder. Yes, I can try my best. Stand tall. Yes, sir. Okay, let's grab your family member or friend this time. They're going to help us. Okay, family members or friends, what you're going to do now is take the pillow and lightly place it in front of your stomach like this. Now, students, we have to be mindful that that isn't real martial arts training equipment, so we're not going to hit it too hard. Safety is number one, okay? Let's bow to the person that's helping us. Bow. Yes, I can. Okay, so that pillow is right here. Put your arms like me and follow along with me. Yes, I can try my best. 2 more times, just like that. Try to focus on the center of the pillow. Yes, I can try my best. Last one. Ready? Go. Yes, I can try my best, sir. Great job. Give your family member or friend a high five. Awesome. You are doing great. Show me your confidence. Look how strong you're standing. Nice job. Okay, let's learn more. Stand tall. Yes, sir. We're going to go right back on that spot and put your hands up just like me. Let's review those kicks. Follow me. Yes, I can try my best. Just like that. Keep your back tall and hands up. 2 more times. Yes, I can try my best. Last one, just like that. Ready? Go. Yes, I can try my best, sir. Look at that discipline. Great job. All right, last time we're going to use our family members and friends. So family members and friends, come on back. Family members and friends, now you're going to take the pillow and you're going to hold it off to your side just like this, okay? It could be done more in a vertical instead of a horizontal way just to give the student more space to kick. All right, here we go, guys. Stand tall. Say, yes, sir. Bow. Yes, I can. Okay, put your hands up like me. And lightly, when we kick, we're going to kick with the bottom part of our foot. Ready? Follow me. Yes, I can try my best. 2 more, just like that. A little faster and a little stronger because can I? Always improving. Constant and never-ending improvement. Yes, I can try my best. All right, 1 more. Make this one the best one. Ready? Go! Yes, I can try my best, sir. Excellent job. You did it. Bow. Say, yes, I can. High five. Great job. All right, face me. Stand tall. Say, yes, sir. Bow. Yes, I can. Remember, students, with the right attitude and always trying your best, that equals mastering martial arts. Okay, stand tall. Yes, sir. Okay, you have done a great job today, and we are so proud of you. Now, remember, if you stay consistent with the challenge of having the yes, I can attitude, making your bed, and guess what the 3rd challenge is? Trying your best, no matter what it is. And if you can do all those 3 things, and your family can send us the videos, we are going to award you with your first official belt here at Mastery, which is your white belt. Now, before we leave today, put your hands behind your back. I want to help you understand something. When you practice, that's how you get better in life. So you have a choice to practice 3 different ways. You can practice like a beginner student, you can practice like an intermediate student, or you can practice like a black belt. That's entirely your choice. I'll explain. A beginner student would do 5 sets of 5 repetitions. So what that means is, watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1 set. They would do that 5 times, which is great. An intermediate student would do it 10 times for 10 sets. Yes, I can try my best. Yes, I can try my best. And that's 1 set. They would do that 10 times. A black belt would do it 15 times with 15 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, sir. And that's 1 set. And they would do that 15 times. So here's my challenge to you. I want you to practice, and your family member or friends are going to record you practicing, and you're going to send it back to us, and then that means you are ready to That's right, earn your white belt. Great job today. At the end of this lesson, that means you are ready to begin our classes with us here at Mastery. Are you ready? We're so excited to meet you. Okay, let's bow out. Stand tall. Say, yes, sir. Bow. Yes, I can. It's been a pleasure working with you over these next couple lessons, and I'll see you again. And I want you to remember 3 things. Number 1, have the yes, I can attitude. Number 2, make your bed every morning. And number 3, try your best always. Let's bow out. Say, winners never quit. Quitters never win. I choose to be a winner. I'm a winner. Yes, sir. Yes, I can. Great job today, guys. We will see you to begin your journey with us here at Mastery. You are officially ready. All right, we'll see you soon.